I got a vacuum robot. It's cleaning the floor. It's so convenient because I feel tired sometimes from work. So I just on the vacuum robot and voila! It's clean. See?